In this video, I'm going to explain how YouTube TV's DVR works and why it's a standout feature for recording live TV. YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR storage, allowing you to record as many shows or events as you want without worrying about running out of space. Once recorded, the content is stored for up to 9 months, giving you plenty of time to watch before it expires. To use the DVR, simply find a program in the guide or search bar and click the Record button next to it. For series, you can choose to record just one episode or all episodes, including future seasons. Your recordings will be saved in the Library section under Recordings, where you can easily access and organize them. Unlike traditional DVRs, YouTube TV's cloud-based system means your recordings are stored online, so they don't take up space on your device. You can also create multiple user profiles, each with its own DVR library. Keep in mind that canceling your subscription deletes all recordings, so download important content if needed, and that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how YouTube TV's DVR works, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.